Hello guys, today we are making a black grape juice. Let's start. Let's look at the ingredients. We need washed black grapes, pepper powder, sugar, honey, and pour a glass of water. I am taking juice blender. You can take even this blender. We will remove stem of black grapes in a bowl. Now I put grapes in a blender. I will put black pepper powder, sugar according to taste, and bit of honey. Now I will blend it all. Now I will add water to it and blend it again. Now I will flame it. I got a lot of juice. Now I will taste it. Yummy.
So guys, please like and share my video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe to my channel. Meet you in my next video. Take care and bye bye. Thanks for watching.